Good morning, student. Today you are taking a farewell from our Vibrant Nursing College, and this special day I wanted to tell you what are the education or what are the guidance we have given to you for MSc or BSc or a GL student or post BSc also. This guidance you will follow in your future, and anything which we told to you, maybe you felt bad, but it's my experience that whenever we are studying and when we feel bad about many things, like some of the students when they are giving their opinion, they are telling like madam is scolded or the madam is telling you so many things. This is this and this is wrong and this is the bad, so many things. But I think that only help you when you will go from here. Each steps you will have those problems and you will remember the words what I said in my office, what I said in the class. That will remember and you will follow the path and you will be able to go best of it.
શેફાલી મેમ અહીંયા આવો.
શું થયું હેમાલી મેમ?
અરે ફેરવેલ ની વાત ચાલે છે.
હા કે શું થયું?
અરે એમએસસી પીપીબીએસસી બીએસસી બધાની ફેરવેલ છે
આટલા
હમણાં.
બધાની એક સાથ જોડે?
અરે જવા દો ને, મેં તો તેમાં પીપીબીએસસી ની કોઓર્ડિનેટર છું.
હા તો તમારે તો સ્પીચ આપવાની રહેશે હેમાલી મેમ.
અરે મારે સ્પીચ પ્રિપેર કરવાની. તેમાં પાછા એમએસસી વાળા મારા તો રૂમમેટ છે સંગ્રામ
એ મારા તેજલ મેમ તો અસિસ્ટન્ટ કોઓર્ડિનેટર
અરે
હતા.
અરે પાછા બે સર,
હા એ લોકો
ચતરિયા સર, અક્ષય સર, અમારા 5 પંડાઓ બી જાય છે ને. અરે 4th બીએસસી વાળા,
હા એ લોકો
આપણે
બી
તો બહુ કોન્ટેક્ટમાં હતા.
એ લોકોના લેક્ચર લેતા આપણે.
भरा नहीं
हाय, एमएससी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बोलना चाहूंगी कि मैं बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ कि उनकी ग्रेजुएशन से पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का जो सफर है उसका एक हिस्सा रही मैं, और मैंने उनकी नैया पार कराने में कुछ तो योगदान दिया है. मैं बस इतना चाहूंगी कि मेरे बच्चे हमेशा खुश रहें, जीवन में खूब तरक्की करें. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू.
बहार बन के छाई लो,
हवा जरा महक तो ले नजर जरा.
So, you have faced so many problems, ups and downs during your study periods for MSc and BSc both. But at last, you have done great jobs. You have achieved great results and we are very proud of you that you have achieved 100% results, MSc and BSc both. So at the end, I just want to tell you that you are the great part of this great institute, Vibrant Campus.
नशे के घूंट भी तो लो, अभी तो कुछ का.
It's honored to be your class coordinator. I have watched your growth, progress and mature over the years. You have done hard work these years and keep growing like this. All the best for your future. Never stop growing. All the best.
अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल भी भरा.
Hello students, I am the class teacher of 4th year BSc and I am a proud class teacher. That I want to say that you have not in the time of internship, then also you completed your research and 100% result. That is a proud moment for every teacher from your journey to the ending. So wish you all the best.
Every beginning is end with something. As you all are moving forward, so the future will be so many of challenges, and I know you will be make a difference in the world. So pursue your path and never will be afraid of taking risk. All the very best for the future endeavors.
मुझको टोकना ना, बढ़ के राह रोकना.
अगर मैं रुक गई.
4
fourth year BSc. I know the fourth year BSc from the first year. So I have seen their whole journey from first year to the last year. Simply, they're amazing. I only wish them a luck. Very best of luck for future life, new beginning. All the very best.
बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं।
Okay, so firstly our second year MSc nursing students, wish you all the best for your career, our dear MSc juniors. And next to the second PBBSc. Oh, you're very sincere. Next, I'm coming to the fourth year BSc nursing. Oh, my management students, how innocent you are. Okay, there was one memory with you, my dear students, that whenever you are in the first year, I was thinking that when you will become in the fourth year, I don't know where I will be, but still I am here because I love Vibrant, and you are living Vibrant, but still I am here only. Okay, the next is the third year. Oh, my students, Priyansi ma'am, come. Okay, so for the my students, as we know only how you bothered us, but still there was a good memory or sweet memories with you, my dear students. We'll always miss you, and you are still here. Okay, all the best for your career.